Dr. Vivek Gaur. He shall enlighten us on the topic how to avoid failures in cortico-basal implantology. I request our honorable chairpersons to kindly give a brief introduction of Dr. Vivek Gaur, although he doesn't need one.
Exactly. I think over the past 2 days, all of you are familiar with Dr. Vivek Gaur, but to be formal, Dr. Vivek Gaur is a graduate from Manipal University and completed his PT certification in advanced implant from Manipal in 2003. And later he went on to pursue a diploma in advanced implant from Just Holland in 2004. He has taken several training programs in cortical implants by Dr. Stefan Ede at various places in Hungary, Switzerland, Bulgaria, Turkey, Russia, and Egypt. He's an international teacher for basal implantology at Munich, Germany. Has credit of 15 years of experience in this field, and I'm sure at present no better than him to speak on cortical implantology. Dr. Vivek.
Good afternoon, everyone. I know the 20 minutes time start right now. Thank you, the chairperson, sir. Thanks for being here, sir. And thanks you all, guys. So to be a part of our conference, and a big thanks to Neelam Maheshwari ma'am and the organizing committee for hosting such a wonderful conference. And of course, actually, it is not possible if the Tonia ma'am would not be here, Dr. Antonia Hede ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am, for coming all the way. Now I just actually start the most, this lecture was so important for me, how to avoid failures, Why it is happening? I suggest to all actually my IF teachers who are doing the presentations that what is happening when we are presenting the cases. Of course, actually it is the right way to present in an international forum that we always show our success, the beautiful results. But yes, there was a long way was there to reach that success. We had our failures also. And the thing is, when our colleagues present the beautiful cases and the wow factor is created, the other guy who didn't understand what was the learning curve was there behind that wow factor, he just started doing the cases, and most of the time he succeed, but sometimes he end up with the problem also. I'm just going to share actually one example of Ede sir. He's my mentor, he taught me everything. Ede sir told that he